So we have a 1989 Yamaha Xt350, and just gonna check the spark plug, maybe replace it if I need to. But either way, I'll show you that process of getting the spark plug in and out. So yeah, pretty basic. I mean, it goes just usually a little tough to get into, but pretty much the same for most motorcycles. So let's get into it. All right, so we are on the clutch side, left-hand side of the bike. And it's hard to see, but right there in there's the boot. And yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and clean it all out, maybe vacuum it or get the air compressor in there. You just definitely don't want any dirt falling in there, so get to that. So I'm just vacuuming it out. I already got most of it with the rag. Definitely don't want to jam anything in there too hard. I was just lightly pressing it in there to get the dust out. So go ahead and just pop the boot off. There's our spark plug. Good in there. You can see the spark plugs right there. All right, so the Climber Yamaha book actually says 14 millimeter spark plug socket, but the spark plug that's in my XT right now is 18 millimeter. So it might vary. Even if you have to run to the store, I would just check it with the small socket. You'll be able to feel it if it fits or not. So check it with the socket that you do have, and then go buy the right spark plug socket, or at least something that's more than like 2.5 inches, just because this thing has the perfect like depth in there to get your ratchet in there. So all right, start taking this spark plug out. So that feels like it's free. There we go. So there we are. Looks like normal wear, not terrible. All right, so there's the fresh spark plug. Go ahead and throw this back in. Started by hand. Make it nice and snug, not too hard. Get that boot back around. All right. Yep, looks all good. All right, so that's it for the spark plug removal on the 1989 Xt350. And yeah, pretty basic. I mean, the only thing is I recommend getting the spark plug socket just because it has the depth. This is just like a normal socket. You need that extra 1.5 inches, 2 inches just to get your ratchet in there. So this thing makes all the difference with the clearance and everything. So makes the job a lot easier. You don't have to try to squirm around in there with a little socket and some extensions or whatever. So yeah, I recommend just getting the right spark plug socket, and it'll make your life a lot easier. So that's it. Thanks for watching.